Hey there friends, let's check out another Ypsilon level. Let's do the Standing Stone. Alright, so we need to destroy this little fella, and let's do it using one of our standard designs. I'm going to add a couple blocks in front, and since that guy's up in the air, I'm going to make a catapult. I'm going to use a different mechanism for driving this time. I'm going to actually make it steer like a tank. So these two wheels will move forward and back with one set of keys, and these two wheels will move forward and back with one set of keys. Let's find the braces. Let's strap everything we've got built so far together. I'm going to go underneath and strap all the way across those. And then I'm going to add some strength by adding these kitty corner braces and these kitty corner braces. And then I'm going to build my catapult right off this post right here. So I'm just going to put a double block up top. Find my hinge. This will be what will attach the catapult. I need a center block to build off of. I'm going to put a 3 going in reverse. I'm going to put a 2 out in front. I'm going to really quickly go to mechanical. I'm going to grab those springs, and I am going to attach them to the front post and the front post. I'm going to go to wheels, and I'm going to choose the normal motor wheels, so it's a little bit smaller and more compact. And this is where I'm going to make the steering custom. So I'm going to use this with the 4 and the 1 key on the number pad. And I'm going to copy that to the other side. So now the 4 and the 1 are on both of these. And then on the other side, I want it to be the keys beside them, which are the 5 will be forward and the 2 will be backward. And I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste it also to the back. I need to go to the weaponry, and I want to find the holder for our projectile. Now notice we've got the intersection going on. We can fix that by dropping it to the ground. And then we need to pick a projectile, and I am feeling like, let's try a bomb. Let's do a quick test. Ooh, that's close. Notice it does not shoot at us until we move. I'm going to orbit so we've got a better look at what's going on. Let's see what happens as we drive in. I need to go both forwards, and then L is to launch. That has potential, but I was a little slow on it because I was using the wrong keys. I actually used the arrows. Let's try that again. If we go both forward, he drives forward. Oh, and I blow myself up with the bomb. Let's be a little more patient as that settles. Now both forward. I think I've got one wheel messed up. Let's go back and look at our wheels. So, if I go back to my key mapper, this wheel is on 5 and 2. This wheel is not. So let's copy and paste that to 5 and 2. Let's double check these parameters, 4 and 1, 4 and 1. Let's take our springs and make them a little stronger so that they launch with more gusto. I'm going to take it up to 4, and I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to click its neighbor spring and paste it there. Let's see what happens now when we hit start. Back up so we can see everything a little better. Vehicle looks good. Forward works. Backward works. Ha! Till you blow yourself up. We're going to try it one more time. This time I'm just going to drive forward. Did it again. Alright. Let's see if that does it. Oh, that would have been beautiful, but I missed. Here we go. L. Holy mackerel, great shot. That was pretty darn cool. I don't like that he lights me up though. So let's back up and look at our machine. If we zoom in, he's got that laser thing that's just constantly shooting laser beams at us. Let's adjust our vehicle so it's a little faster. Let's delete the wheels that are here. So I'm going to do X, and let's replace it instead with the large wheels. And this is also going to show you something cool. When I try and set this large wheel in, it says I can't because there's an intersection issue. But if you do translate machine, you can lift your machine up, and then bam, now you're able to set things back on. The other nice thing about that was I was able to do it before I got rid of my measurements. So now I can come over to my key mapper, and I can click on this dude's keys, and I can copy them here. And I can click on this dude's keys, and I can copy them here. Let's double check to make sure I actually clicked the button. No, I didn't. So I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to click paste. And now when I delete both of these, I can bring in the large wheels, and I can paste those parameters afterwards as well. So I'm going to go back to the key mapper, click on the good wheel, copy its code, click the bad wheel, paste its code, make sure I hit paste. I see the 5 and the 2. I'm going to copy the 4 and 1, and I'm going to paste it to this back wheel. And let's see if maybe having bigger wheels lets me drive in faster and not let him hit me. Alright, we look in control. There's the fast driving. I blow myself up. Which, who doesn't think that's funny? Wow. Those explosions are awesome. What if we just shoot them from a long ways away? Can we get them from here? There's L. Yes, we can. Problem solved. The all-seeing eye cannot get you if you shoot from far enough away. So, gave you a couple of cool skills today. A different way to drive. Notice it is pretty darn effective having it in tank mode. And then the other thing is being able to translate your designs. Friends, thanks for watching again. I hope you enjoyed the movie. If you have not subscribed, make sure you choose to do so. If you get a chance, please hit that like button. And if you want to be the first to know when there is a brand new movie from HLModTech, click the little notification button. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.